Today, I wanted to delve into a specific topic that is often associated with personal development, but sometimes misunderstood or misused: the mirror exercise. But before we begin, I want to shed light on an important aspect. While the mirror exercise can offer valuable insight, it is essential to understand that repetitive use or solely relying on it might not provide a complete solution. If you find yourself repeatedly facing distressing situations, it might be time to seek professional help. While some might urge you to seek coaching or guidance from non-licensed individuals might offer motivation, encouragement, or advice. However, it's important to recognize their limitations in diagnosing or treating mental health conditions and/or relationship advice. If dealing with mental health challenges in yourself or others, consulting with a qualified mental health professional ensures access to appropriate interventions and treatments tailored to individual needs. This exercise aims to promote self-awareness, healthy connections, and personal growth. However, it's crucial to recognize that further support is needed beyond self-reflection. Let's embark on this journey together, focusing on self-acceptance, healthy connections, and personal growth. It's time to bring forth the true essence of the mirror exercise for a brighter, more fulfilling path toward wellness. So, without further ado, let's dive into the Reimagined mirror exercise and discover its potential to enhance our lives in a positive and empowering way. Step 1. Embrace your feelings. Acknowledge and accept your emotions without judgment. Name your feelings with kindness. I feel this way because. Understand and validate your emotions. Step 2. Focus on self-connection. Reflect on your role in nurturing a healthy relationship with yourself. Ask, how can I strengthen my connection with myself? Consider self-care practices or positive affirmations. Step 3. Practice self-acceptance. Accept yourself unconditionally, flaws and all. Remind yourself, I am worthy of love and acceptance. Embrace self-compassion and understanding. Step 4. Foster healthy connections. Extend kindness and understanding to others. Embrace empathy and compassion in your interactions. Prioritize nurturing, healthy, and respectful relationships. And step 5. Set boundaries and prioritize your self-growth. Establish boundaries that honor your well-being. Ask, what actions can help me grow personally? Continuously prioritize self-improvement and growth. You can use this exercise in front of a mirror or just reading it out loud to yourself. Remember, this reimagined exercise aims to promote self-awareness, self-acceptance, and healthy connections within oneself and with others. It encourages nurturing a compassionate relationship with oneself while fostering positive, respectful connections with others, all while maintaining healthy boundaries and personal growth.